Ignacio, good morning, good afternoon. Hello, hey Ray, what up? Legacy, Will, TPZ, Marcelo, Perazano. Good afternoon. What do you know? How's everybody doing? Nothing in a trade right meow. Nothing in a trade right meow. We're just waiting to see if this market is finally going to make a move up here after 2 hours of nonsense and bullish craziness, consolidation, big wicks, big candles, big nasty choppy move. Yep. Hopefully this is a move up here and we can get into it and make some profit on the day. Uh, I'm down $20 basically so far today. Just an ugly, ugly market today. But thank you for being here, tuning in. It is Tuesday, I think, or Wednesday. I don't even know. What day is it? Tuesday. Taco Tuesday, 2 for 1 Tuesday, whatever you want to say. Hey, hey. Let's get this market moving up, not down. No, I don't even want to look at you. Santa, you're moving in the wrong direction. Nasty, nasty market. Hmm. Coble, welcome in. Laura, hello. What do you know? Keep tapping that screen. If you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, help me, help you, help others. Let's get this pullback and get going upwards here. Let's take this little bit of a pullback and move it on up to the east side, to that deluxe apartment in the sky. Fish don't fry in the kitchen, the beans don't burn on the grill. Let's get this NQ going green until we climb over that hill. We need 21,480. That's what we're looking for. Bo, welcome in. Lukacho, Steven Seagal, hello, hello. Good afternoon. Let's get this all the way up to 21,480. Where's Super Z at? We need him in here to tell us where it's going. Keep going. Pump it up. Pump up the jam. Pump it up. A little louder. What up, Canned? Juice, welcome in. I'm up $30 and I'm done. Hey, you got to take what you can take. Victor Lopez, welcome in. Good afternoon. Etano Rambone, welcome in. We need 21,480. We need it to go up to here. Please, please, just go on up to 21,480. Just go on up to 21,480. That's what we need. Well, we're moving on up. Come on, you can do it. Moving on up to the east side, to that deluxe apartment in the sky. Big Mike, welcome in. Good afternoon. CB Trade, Karen, Dina, Miguel, Ion, welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? It is the Swag Show. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly Bean, till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help other. We need the tap, tap, tap so the NQ goes up, up, up. Need NQ to go up to 21,480, please. Please and thank you. You can do it. Ryan Jones, welcome in. Good afternoon. Jan A. Riviera, Fat Bastard, welcome in. Come on, just go on up. Push it on up to 21,480 and I'll be happy and done. Let's go. Keep tapping that screen. Need NQ to go up, up, up and away, please. The only thing in a trade right now is Oracle Silver. No other. Big Bang ES, I guess, is in a trade as well. But we need NQ to go up. That's what we're waiting on. We need this push up above this 21,470 level. Need it to break above here. Just buy, everybody, please. Come on, you can do it. Push up and over this 21,470 level. Just push. Hello, traders. Hello, fat bastard. What's happening? How you doing today? It's been a tough day today. Choppy, consolidating, crappy market, in my opinion. Up and down between 21,390 and 21,449-ish. About a 50-point range all day. I don't know. It's just garbage. Needed to go up here about 50 points. I'd be happy. I'd be happy if this just ran up 50 points real quick. At least give me 10 points of movement here, please. Just move me 10 points up. It's 105. They should be back from lunch. You should move this up. You should buy into it. Get it moving up here. Get it moving up here. Let's go. Push it up. Keep tapping that screen. Make the NQ green. Please tap it on up. Tap it on up. Tap it on up. Tappity tap tap. Get up above this 21,470 level, please. Come on. Just break through the 70s here and we can go up to 80s and then 90s and then 21,500. Come on. You can do it. Push. Keep tapping the screen. Keep pushing. Keep buying. Let's go. Get it up there. People, where's it at? We need it to go up and away. Hey, what do you say? We need it to go up and away. BoldBot Jen is in the house. The road traveler herself, extraordinaire. Please, just go up about 10 points. One time, push it up to over 21,480 and I'll be happy. I promise you, I'll swag it out. I promise you I'll be done for the day. I just want it to go up one more time here. Come on. I'm not begging, I'm crying. I'm crying and begging and crying. I just needed to bust this 470 level. Needed to pop above this 470. It's having a hard time getting through it. There's a lot of green on my volume indicator, but we need to push. We need it to go up. We need it to do something. It's been such a tough day today. It really has been a tough day in the markets today. Come on, you can do it, NQ. You can do it. Push up and away. I believe in you. I have faith in you. Get up and away. Are you in? Yeah, I'm in a manual trade. But it's not a very good position, so. I was playing a pullback off of something, and it's having a hard time getting through this 21,470 level. I don't know. I've got a couple of them. It might not even be. Yeah, lots of resistance on this area holding. Yeah, I need it to get up and above it, though. That's what I'm saying. If it can break these 70s and go above it, we'll be okay. Get up above these 70s and we'll be golden. Break through. Break on through to the other side. Break on through to the other side. Come on. At this point, I might just get mad at myself and exit the trade and have FOMO later. Come on. Break above. Break above the 70s right here. Push. There it is. Come on. You got it. Go. Buy. Push. I don't know. It's not. Should have realized this huge level of resistance here at 70s before I got into it, but I thought it was going to push through it. That's why I got in. Just need to push up and over these 70s, and we'll be good. If it can break through, if it can find the buyers. It's just volume's kind of low right now. Push up and above here. Up and above. Up and above. These 70s, and we'll be golden. Get up and above it. I don't even... Ugh, I hate it when it does this. NQ Day Waves is in a long. That's a good sign. NQ Day Waves is in a long, so that's a good sign. We might be okay if it can go up here above these 70s. That's what I'm telling you. It's just having a hard time getting through this 21,470 level. A lot of selling at 73. Yeah. Go up here. Push on up. Man, oh man, is it ever so tight right here. I'm just looking for a little bit right now. Looking for a little push above it here. Get up above it here. Come on. You can do it. Push above this 70 level and hold. Bust through this 73s, 74s, and or should be home free, but we got to get there first. We're having struggles. We're on a struggle bus right now. Hey, if you want the algorithms, $250 for the first 2 weeks, $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms. Otherwise, it's $1,500 for the premium algorithms. $100 for the first week for the premium alerts. $500 a month after that. And the digital mentorship is life. If you want to learn how to manual trade, come join the BoldBot Digital Mentorship student group and learn how to manually trade. Man, oh man, 111 now into a second. Come on, we need a big push up here. Need a big push here. Get up and over here. What was that? Absolute nonsense. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Might have struggle bus written all over it here. 68. I got a 22 point. Gandalf is standing at 473. Yeah. Amir, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. I'll be slowly patient. Yeah, I just needed to bust through right here. One time bust through up into the 80s. And I'll be done for the day. I promise. If it can get up into the 80s, I'll be done. Just needs to bust through this 473. What in the hell kind of... That's probably what it was. We need something that's singing I'm going up. That's the problem. Get up, get up, get up. Go up and over here. And you know what? If I close this trade out, it's going to happen. It's going to go up. It always happens that way. It just never fails. right? Maybe we're reverse psychologizing it. Nope, this is not looking good. I'm about to break protocol and play some grunge music or something because this is getting. Um, Santa's in a trade. What's Santa in? Hopefully long. Nope, it's in a short. Imagine that. Imagine that. Santa's in a short. We need it. We need Santa to lose here. We need it to go up. Go up. I don't care if Santa loses. Go up. Go up. Bust through. All right, I'm flattening everything. All right, I'm out of it. I'm out of it. $15 profit after all that. Ah, boy, the headaches and the mental torture you put yourself through sometimes. Okay, so that brings me to negative $8 on the day, guys. Not a great day. I was up 90. I wanted one more trade, and of course, you know what happens when you don't stop when you're at your goal is you give it all back. And you give it all back. Yeah, I know it's the wrong song. Cool Clips, the song is not perfect. I was in a long. Darn you, Cool Clips. It was not perfect. I was in a long. I don't want it to go down. But I'm out now, so it's all good, whatever. Boy, sometimes holding through consolidation like that is just, ugh. It doesn't feel good, so I'm out. Live court, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. If you haven't been here before, my name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. If you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. I'll put it right there on the screen as you can watch Big Bang NQ. Just a crappy day. You're entering now that I'm out. Yeah, now it's going to go up because I'm out, right? It always works like that. 455 is the next short-term support. Yeah. Yep. 57. Whatever. Man, that was just not fun to be in. Just a choppy mess, and it still continues. I really thought that was going to be the push up there. I really did, but coming right back down to 21,460. So who knows? I'm done. I can't be mad at an $8 loss after all that. Trading two micros on four PAs, $50,000 PA accounts. I'm up 1,300 to 1,400 on all four of them over 6 days. This is day 6 or 7. 7. This is day 7. Yeah, I started last Monday, so this is day 7, and I'm up 1,400 to 1,300 bucks. So about a $200 a day average. Today, obviously, is way below that, but you got to take the wins and the losses. Parker, tips for getting started. Watch a lot of videos, train in simulation, practice in simulation. Don't use any real money until you know what you're doing, and go slow and steady. Just shoot for a small daily target and try and hit it. And when you do, you got to stop. You got to treat it like a normal job. If you have a cash account, you can start with a cash account on micros. If you want to use prop firms, you can use prop firms. You just got to kind of pick wherever you want. How were the alerts? 1 for 1. That was it. 15 points. That's all it ran. Do you quick scalp or wait it out? Both. I have an ATM Parker that is a quick scalping ATM, which means it'll take profit soon. And then I have another one that will take profit or have a trailing draw stop. I can't even talk today. A trailing stop that's more aggressive. It has a bigger stop loss and a bigger spread before it takes profit. So I do a little bit of both, but you're down 2,900. You're over trading. You're oversized something. At the worst today, I was down 480 at one point while I was in a trade. And I was up to 7 micros on it. And now I've built it all the way back where it says I'm green like $45, but after fees and commission, I'm really down $8. So, you trade price action? Yeah, pretty much. Price action, levels, patterns, what I've learned in the digital mentorship, a whole bunch of stuff goes into how I trade, but it's based on price action mainly, I guess. Thank you guys for tuning in, for being here. My name is Kyle. This is The Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. If you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. We're going to take a long here. We're going to take a long here and see if it works out. We're going to take a long here and see if it works out. Student play of the day in full effect. We'll see here if the student play of the day works out for us. Come on, student play, work out. Work out one time for us. Go up about 50 points right here. That was a pullback we wanted. Now run it up. You came and you touched a key level. Now run it up, Buttercup. Where's Jen at? Jen, are you at the gas station? You being a lot lizard? You still in here? Dan said she was at the truck stop. Anybody home? Hello, please. Why are you doing this to me? I don't know. Sometimes trading's tough. Sometimes it just doesn't do what you think it's supposed to do. But the student play is in full effect. We'll see if it works out here. You were at Starbucks? No, you weren't. You were at a lot lizard trucking company. That's what. You're at a truck stop, from what Dan said. I believe Dan. I don't know. He said you were at a truck stop. I need this to go up, Jen. Where's the student play working out? Come on. I'm begging today, man. It's been one of them days where it's been rough. It's been rough on your boy. I don't know what you guys were doing. You must have been trading silver or something, making your money that way. I've been fighting NQ all day. It's been a losing battle for most of the day, but we're back to we're even after fees and taxes and all that crap, we're negative $10 live action right now. So Dan just likes to pick on you. I know, everybody does. It's fun. It's because you won't ever come and hang out with us. You always are too busy or too good to hang out with the common folk. Oh, get up. Get up. Get up. By the way, I won a karaoke contest the other night. Just so you know. Tell Lauren she could shove it. I'm going to sing all I want. I'm going to sing all I want. Get up. All right, just give me back to even. I'm so done with this market right now. I'm so done with this. Where's the damn student play? Go up already. I'm so done with it. Come on. Don't be the tone deaf. You know what, Jen, if you're saying, you know what? That's it. I'm done. I'm done with you. Somebody block BoldBot back up. It's a fake account. Moderators, where they're at, block her, block them, block whoever it is. It's a fake account. Fake news. Impersonating a BoldBot member. All right, get up. Why is this taking so long? I don't like it when it does this to me. All right, you know what? I'm giving myself an aneurysm. You're the one said I was tone deaf. Maybe Lauren's tone deaf, right? That's what you're saying? And you're actually on my side that I can sing? Powerwinder, welcome in. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Go up, NQ, please. You buttercup, go up. Oh my goodness, just rocket to 21,480. 21,480. Go, go, go. Push. Put. All right, I'm not going to tell you I'm down $7, but I'm done. I'm stressed enough on these trades. The student play, it's there, but of course now, look, of course now it goes up, right? That would have been 10 points. No FOMO here, Jen. Nope, not going to have FOMO here. Why didn't I trust it? Because everything's been going the wrong way today. I'm just going to end it with being down $8, basically. Yo, Burberry, what up, dog? What a day, what a day. All that for being down $8. You're up 800, I'm down $8. I am literally down $8 after all said and done, and the fees and commissions. I got a headache. Yeah, today was not an easy day for me. I don't know why. Maybe because it was just chopping the crap out of it for an hour and a half. And it still hasn't really done anything but move up out of, never mind. I can't even talk about it. Well, it says I'm up $47 on all four accounts, except one for some reason. It says I'm up 38. So really I'm down $8 after commissions and fees and all that. But I'm done. I'm not going to mess with this market anymore. It's giving me a headache. Jen, where are you traveling to that you're at a truck stop? Just wondering. Dan doesn't even want to come in and say hi. He had a bad sort of day-ish for him. What a day on the NQ market. Not fun. Some days it's just like that. But that's okay. You live to fight another day. How do the bots work? You set them up, you turn them on, and they work. Sell or buy? I don't know. You make up your own mind. This is not trading advice. This is not financial advice. This is just to show you how the fully automated trading algorithms work, which means you load them into NinjaTrader with the settings that we give you based on the spreadsheet. You click enable on the ones that you want to run for the day, and they trade for you. Yeah, it's been sideways all day. Yep, that's why it's been a tough day. It's just a nasty, nasty 50 to 60 point range for 2 hours, and now we kind of moved up a little bit, and now we're right back to being sideways. So not an easy day to trade when it does this, that's for sure. That's why I'm down $7 or $8 across my 4 PA accounts today. But at one point I was down 400, so I made back all that. And I'm ending the day down $7.62, $8.12, and $17.12, and $7.62. So 4 accounts, bleh, whatever. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. Hopefully tomorrow will be better price action than this choppy, nasty, sideways bull crap that it's given us to work with today. The algorithms did good though. Silver Oracle 2000, NQ PVV Day 500, Gold 500, Silver Box Seats Green 1250, the other Silver 900, Green 125, NQ Day Waves Green 310. Is this the one that breaks 480? I don't know. Don't talk to me right now about it. I'm so upset. I'm so upset. I don't want to have FOMO. I just couldn't hold on to it any longer. It was getting down to like minus 60, 80 bucks. I'm like, nah. As soon as it breaks even, I'm closing out of it. And it did. I got like 2 points out of it, which isn't a lot when you're on 2 micros, but it is what it is. But the funny thing is we give a student play each and every morning if you take the digital mentorship. And it's played out exactly to what the student play told you to do. And it would have ran up about, 10 points? If you got in at 447, it ran up to 53. So that's like 6 points, actually. Might have. That's $100, so. If you're on 1 mini. Chi Chi, welcome in. Good afternoon. Just a boring, consolidating, sideways, crappy day. But hey, you can follow me over on the Purple app. That'd help me out. Swag Show Kyle. Today is the last day of the Apex 80% off sale as well. So if you want some Apex accounts, make sure you use the code SWAGSHOW. Get yourself 80% off of some Apex accounts. Today's the last day. Let me know. Hit me up. Okay, well, I don't know. I don't know, folks. How did that? What? How did that do that? Oh. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know what else to say. It's kind of a boring, sideways, choppy day. Does anybody have any questions about anything else? Live court, do you kind of understand or get the gist of it if you're in here? Yeah, so the student play would have gotten stopped out on the second attempt. Oh. Trend line, this is the real pullback. Yeah. Yeah, I see what you're looking at, Canned. Came right to two other things that I'm seeing too, so but it's kind of broken below it a little bit. I don't know. It's in a nasty area. I'm not touching it. I can't touch it. It's just in such a nasty area. I'm like scared to take the long off of this pullback, honestly. I mean, it is hitting what you're talking about on multiple things I see, but I'm a chicken today. I'm a chicken. I'm not. I can't do it. Can't pull the trigger for some reason. The old me, I would be like, oh yeah, let's go YOLO, you know. But right now, the way this market's been today, it's right back in the middle of this choppy nastiness that it was at earlier. So I'm not going to touch it. Can't do it. Not going to be prudent. Wouldn't be prudent at this point in juncture. Not going to do it. Do. I mean, it is coming right along it. That would have been the bounce off of it, but man, oh man, is that scary to take right now. Scary to take right now for me. Hmm. Let's see what it does. You took it? You took the long? See what it does? All right. Good luck, man. If it pulls back to like 27 again, I'll take it. Might have been it. Might have been the pullback right there. Might have been the pullback you were looking on right there. I have stops right below bottom wick. The bottom wick of the 15-minute candle that it's on, or what? on the 5-minute. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it in. How did I get such a bad entry? That's what I want to know. That's why micros, you get a different entry sometimes. I'm such a chicken shiznit. I'm such a chicken shiznit. 426. 426. I could have got long at 426. I'm such a chicken. 424. Literally, I'm down 78 cents, $1.28, and 8.28. I'm done. Break even day. I'm done. I don't care. Canned, good luck, man. I hope it runs to the moon for you, brother. But I am done. I can't handle this stress and pressure no more. Break even day for me today, guys. It shows $58.50 worth of profit, but after fees and commissions, after all the trades, I am literally at break even or minus $1.28. So I'm done. I'm done. But for you people that are in the long, good luck. To me, I'm getting a headache. It's right back in the middle of this nasty chop area from earlier, so I'm not going to be able to take this anymore. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. And just so you know that I'm not lying, I'll show you the results here. PA 58, 58, 58, 51, 5100 for, so 1400, 1300, 1300, 1400 in profit, and this is day 7. So there you go. About $200 a day average. So $200 a day average today, break even. So whatever, we'll call it. We'll take a break even day after this nasty nonsense. Sugar Plum, what up? It's a win. Welcome to the BoldBot family. Did you get signed up and going? Hey, thank you for that. Second thoughts, welcome in. Break even's not bad. Yeah, it's going to have to be good. There you go, Canned. It looks like it's moving on up for you. Take your profit, buddy, when it comes to you. That's a good... TikTok Queen. Look at NSFDF new quarterly results and target price. I have no idea what that means. Yes, signed up, bought Apex accounts, watch videos. There you go, girl. Welcome in. Good afternoon. I hope you use code SWAGSHOW. Help me help you help others. Use the code SWAGSHOW. Today's the last day of the Apex 80% off sale. Can, there you go, man. You got to be green here. I'm such a chicken shit that I jumped out when I should have stayed in there with you, because that would have been a hell of a good trade. That would have been a hell of a good trade right there. I would have got in at 24 and we're up to 38. So that's what, 12 points, 14 points worth of profit. Dang it! Dang it to all smithereens. Sometimes I'm chicken. No FOMO. Thank you. Thank you for reminding me. I needed that. Sugar Plum, you're absolutely correct. We can't have FOMO. Can't revenge trade. Just got to be happy with the break even being down $1. So Canned, I know you, hopefully you made a little bit more there on that move up. So now you should be close to $1,000 up for the day, right? Something like that. Hey, but you know what feels good? What feels good in a way is knowing I was in a position, I had confidence in it, I held through it, even though I was in it 7 contracts. It was going against me. I was down 450 to $80, and we worked ourselves all the way back to a break even day. So that's what feels good. So technically, to me, that's kind of a win. But you're still in. Your stop's at break even. Man, move your stop up and take some profit. I don't know why people don't do that. If you're up 10 points, move it into profit at least 4 or 5 points and get some profit out of the trade, man. That's just my opinion, but everybody has their own way. I don't like, why would you just move it to break even? That's like, you're still paying commission, so you're still down money. You got to move it at least 2 or 3 points into the profit to be green a little. That's just the way I think. Maybe I'm wrong, but it ran all the way up from 41 or 21.424 up to 38. That would have been 14 points of profit. I would have taken at least half of that. I would have locked in 7 points of profit and been happy with it. Oh well, it does not open the browser to buy the bot. What do you mean? Live court. Live court. If you want access to the algorithms, just email BoldBotInfo at gmail.com for the standard algorithms. Otherwise, if you want the alerts or the premium algorithms, email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. You have to email to get the link.